In the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a device that will forever alter the way you perceive mobile photography. Welcome to a revolution in your wallet. Life's spontaneous moments don't come with studio lighting, and artists know the pain of missing a great shot due to poor light. Similarly, who hasn't struggled with a feeble phone torch while searching for something in the dark? The absence of a compact, beautiful source that is always at hand limits our artistic creation and generally seeing in the dark.
Meet LumiCard, your pocket-sized powerhouse lighting solution that's always with you, fitting snugly in your wallet and attaching via MagSafe whilst being powered wirelessly directly from your phone. LumiCard effortlessly illuminates impromptu creator ops and provides a sturdy light, be it capturing vivid, perfectly lit stories or hastily searching for lost keys in the dark. LumiCard cinema-grade LEDs powered by your phone or via USB-C have got you covered.
How beautiful is this alleyway, but there's not enough light. So if we get our LumiCard, whap it onto our LumiBank, look at that. Look how much illumination we have from nothing more than a credit card. Once again, because I know you don't believe it, just as I don't believe it. Off, on. I mean, that is something else. All from nothing more than this little guy here. What a little champion. Now, what about mobile, you ask? Well, let's jump on inside and see what we can do.
Well, this is where the LumiCard really shines. Here we have my beautiful wife and the iPhone 15. Just look at the difference. Now in the rewards is a pack of 3 and that's the reward I would buy. 2 in my kit bag and 1 in my wallet for the phone. But wait, there's more to the LumiCard's ecosystem with our exclusive add-ons, the Lumi Adapter and the LumiDiff. Think of the Lumi Adapter as a Swiss Army knife for your LumiCard, morphing it into a selfie light, a reliable video conferencing light, a practical kickstand and even doubling as a top light with a 1/4-20 mount. Meanwhile, LumiBank, our robust wireless power bank, slides effortlessly into your daily life, keeping your LumiCard and other devices charged and ready for action whenever you need them. Ensure you grab these add-ons with your rewards to unlock the full potential of your LumiCard.
Join us and ignite the spark of innovation by supporting LumiCard on Kickstarter, where early birds will catch up to 50% off. Now, from our small workshop in Scotland, we're not just designing amazing lights, we're making a commitment to brighter futures by dedicating 4% to meaningful causes. Together, we can craft our own moments and the world around us. It's been a surreal journey from our lights brightening the intense scenes in Netflix's Altered Carbon and Night Flyers to being used by the renowned BBC and National Geographic. We've lit the screens you love. Now let us illuminate your world. Support us, become a backer, and let's make sure that no moment ever lacks the perfect light again. My name is Billy, and I will see you soon.